are the 2016 Future City team of Islip Middle School's Excel program, and we present to you Evolisiona.
Welcome to Evolisiona, the waste management capital of the world.
Let's talk trash.
In order to fully understand the evolution of Evolisiona, we first bring you back to the year 2015.
People were obsessed with stuff. Happiness was based on how much stuff you had.
All this stuff eventually led to high rates of waste production, and sadly, it took people a long time to realize that they weren't any happier.
On the coast of Madagascar, in beautiful Evolisiona, used to be Mahajanga. In 2015, waste littered the streets, making it undesirable for people and horrendous for the environment.
Not only was Mahajanga an underdeveloped city, where 84% of the population lived under the poverty line, but the literacy rate was equally low. Herein lies the key to how we change the world. Education. We realized that everything starts here, and we started a revolution right here in Mahajanga University. By 2332, a paradigm shift has occurred that changed the way we live our lives. And what has changed is all about, well, stuff. Where stuff is used and where it ends up going. A total evolution addressed production, consumption, and processing. People were educated, and we solved the world's trash problem by getting to the root of the cause.
We made it our mission to stop the problem of waste at its core, which is a product's material and packaging.
Most products in Evolisiona are sold in bulk. We use reusable boca containers, eliminating disposable packaging. Most Evolisionians implement cradle to cradle, allowing many items to be endlessly reused with multiple purposes. In 2015, people lived in a disposable society. Now, everything is reused. People aren't buying what they don't need, and overall garbage production has significantly decreased. The word garbage has become obsolete because it symbolized something non-reusable, worthless, and it's now, dare I say, a dirty word. What we throw away is now called evolage, and trash cans have been replaced with boca bins. Since we are not producing or consuming the same as 2015, garbage,
You mean evolage?
is totally different, consisting of organic matter, boca plastics, metals, and boca textiles.
You already know what metals and organic matter are, but boca plastics and boca textiles are new.
And now, how boca textiles have changed the world!
Not yet.
We recognize that some products must still be designed for short-term use. So chemical engineers have designed waterproof bioplastics that easily decompose, breaking down upon contact with organic matter.
What was called throwing out is now recycling, composting, or creating energy. People throw away evolage in boca bins. The boca bin chamber opens and evolage enters the evolage system, where it is automatically sorted. Metals are separated using magnets and eddy currents. Organic matter is detected and extracted using carbane sensors, and all other evolage goes to the boca burner. Metals are sent to our boca build facility, where they are used in construction. Organic matter is sent to our boca domes, where they are composted into soil. Evolisiona minimizes imports and packaging by growing local crops, and volunteers receive free produce.
And now, how boca textiles have changed the world!
Not yet, Victoria.
Sometimes, the solution to a problem is found in the proper integration, implementation, and innovation of past technologies. The evolage system was inspired by the pneumatic waste system of 2015 and waste-to-energy facilities. Plus, we import trash of the past and turn it into the treasure of fashion. Now, boca textiles have changed the world! In 2015, the textile industry was the second leading cause of pollution. Textiles release toxins and never decomposed. Evolisiona has evolved into the #1 manufacturer of boca textiles, an eco-friendly textile replacement. In the trash fashion facility, clothing is manufactured from imported trash of the past. Many Evolisionians wear trash fashion, proudly embracing the boca movement. To help other cities evolve, we import their trash, making the entire world a cleaner place. We use trash in many ways.
For example, items such as large-scale plastic items and scrap metal are sent to our boca build facility, where they are converted into new materials for construction.
What we cannot use is cleanly burned and converted into energy.
We have additional energy sources too. Our primary energy source is nuclear fusion, but we also have tidal energy and transparent luminescent solar cells.
Bocospheres are automated flying spherical vehicles with a virtually 0% crash risk. Bocospheres fly using electro-hydrodynamic propulsion. For public transportation, The Boca Bullet, inspired through biomimicry, travels quietly at high speeds. This popular mass transit system prevents overcrowded skies and saves energy.
For communication in Evolisiona, we have nanotechnology Boca chips that are worn as bracelets or rings. They use thermoelectric power.
In 2015, people were inactive and disconnected from society, ironically, as a result of being connected through technology.
In order to assure that technology doesn't take over people's lives, a voluntary timeout program disconnects Evolutionians from technology for at least 2 hours a day. Participants receive tax breaks as an incentive, but the real reward is soaking in Evolusiona's beautiful natural world.
Our tour is nearly over now. We hope you are as in love with Evolisiona as we are.
Remember, garbage is a word that no longer has meaning, since nothing is useless in Evolisiona. Instead, Evolage has evolved to become building materials, energy, compost, and fashion.
Evolisiona,